guys, this is RLC321 back again with another model kit unboxing video, not build video, unboxing video, which is obviously going to be in another future project. I've got so many bloody future projects. Oh, why do I do this to myself? I don't know, but I did. Anyway, I got this from a great guy. I've ordered from him before. He's got an eBay shop, but you get better prices if you go to his main shop. And that is JL Gumpler, okay, .co.uk, I believe. So go to a shop, have a look at him. You know, he's got some good stuff on there. There's a resin kit I want to buy on there, but I need to save up for that one. And I really want it's a 1/100 scale Kshatriya. That one I get. It's a resin kit. It's by S&H Models, I think, but I need to save up for that. But today, I have got this right here. And we are going to unbox it. Well, not we. I am going to unbox it. We're just going to be along for the ride. This is interesting. Okay. Out. Right. Okay. Now I've ordered from. I've had. This is a knockoff, by the way. It's Daban, and I don't mind knockoffs. I enjoy them. Sometimes they're actually really good. Sometimes they're really bad. But I don't mind purchasing them or anything like that, because I also purchase proper Bandai as well. I do both. So it's for me, my conscience is clear. But this is not telling you what it is it? No. I don't know if this is some kind of new packaging that Daban are using. But there is nothing on here whatsoever. So let's go and open it up and see what we do have. There we go. Right. So looks like we have some kind of instruction sheet. I've got a funny feeling they've changed the way they do things, because I've done some Daban models before in the past, and it's looking like they've definitely changed how they do these things. And I think, I know what I've ordered, so I'm going to tell you what I've ordered in a minute. It's the but they used to have normal proper instruction sheets, very similar to like Bandai and others, where you have like a proper instruction sheet, but it looks like now they are not. Why that is, couldn't quite tell you why that is. And this is the Strike Impulse, though, Force Impulse Gundam. From Gundam Seed, obviously. There's no sticker or decal marking locations on here at all. Got your parts guide here. Okay. Alright, that's interesting. Very interesting. So let's see what we've got in the box. Let me put this box down on the floor. And then I'll just take out a few bits and pieces. I have to admit, the detail does look really nice. A nice crisp detail on it. There's no flash, which is good. Let's just see if you can have it. You know, the detail is looking pretty good. We've got some polycaps in there. I mean, this red is a little bit washed out. That's actually quite a dark red in real life. Then it looks like we've got some light grey pieces, some dark greys, blues, yellows, a little bit of red over here again. Okay. And some more of the armor, outside armor parts. It's looking like beam saber. Okay. Looks like purplish kind of color here. And for some reason, this red is very washed out on the camera, but it's actually, think of it as about 3 or 4 shades darker than what you actually see. Some nice inner frame detail here as well. Just to give you an example of the inner frame detail, there's even like little, you know, see that circle thing there? It looks like a screwdriver, screwy thing. Yeah, things like that. That's nice. Ah, no, there is some kind of stickers or decals in here. Okay, didn't expect that. Got some eye stickers. I need to find out whether they are stickers or decals, because if they are stickers, I'm gonna have to contact JL, see if I can purchase some proper decals, because I prefer decals to stickers. I mean, who doesn't prefer decals to stickers? Even stickers, I hate them, absolutely hate them with a passion. Let's see what we have. No, they are water slide decals, so that is really, really good. Okay. So we've got water slide decals. I mean, I'm not going to be using those. The metallic stickers for like the eye and the head camera pieces and things like that. So I'm quite pleased about that. Let's point you back inside there. We have some more white part, clear or white parts. These are actually greyish colour, they're not white. It's a very light grey. And there's, oh, hang on, there's figures in here. I've got to have a look at those. I don't think I've seen a Daban kit with figures in before. Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. Come to Papa. Come on, gimme. Yeah, so this JL Gunpla, he's actually really, really good. He will also source kits for you. So these, the figures ain't too great, I have to admit. Don't know if we can, it might be a bit too small for it to focus in on. There we go. But yeah, he can source different kits for you as well if they're hard to find. He'll be able to find them for you, get them ordered in. He's really, really good. He also has a YouTube channel as well, by the way. So visit him on his YouTube channel. Just look for JL Gunpla, I think it is. I'll double check it and I'll put a link in at the bottom here. We've got some more effects, weapon parts. I think this might be for the gun or something. And oh wow, it's got an action base. Oh well, now that is pretty damned awesome. Did not expect it to have an action base. I don't remember seeing anything in the instructions about an action base. Okay, well, let me put these back. I want to have a look at the instructions again, because I want to see if I've missed something. Did I miss anything? Was there instructions for an action base? Right, because I didn't even notice that. There's the instruction, the actual base there. But don't think there is anything on these instructions about putting it together. So I don't remember seeing anything as I was looking through it. No. Okay. Right. Well, that is very interesting. I mean, Gundam Seed. I love Gundam Seed anyway. I think it's actually a brilliant series. It's really is good. But that's the Gundam, the Strike Force Impulse Gundam by Daban, master grade. I'm just going to double check something online, and I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Okay, guys. So I have found online the instructions for the base. Because it looks like it's a Gundam Base 5. Okay, so I've managed to download the instructions. It's just in picture format, but it will do. And yeah, so that's going to be the next one of the other builds I'm going to be doing eventually. So I just thought I'd do a quick little bit of an unboxing. As I say, the JL Gunpla shop, he also sells decals, metal parts, as well as kits and things like that. If you remember in my RX-782, I've done a review. Here is his, there we go, jlgunpla.uk shop for the decals for my RX-783, RX-782 version 3, because as I say, I hate stickers. And so go to his shop or look at his YouTube channel as well. He does some really outstanding work on some of the models done on there. I think the latest one he's done that he's just finished is the 148 High Nu Gundam. No, is it High Nu Gundam or Nu Gundam? The black and white one. I can't remember which one it is. I think it's the High Nu. No, the High Nu is the V2 one, isn't it? Anyway, it's the really big one, the black and white one of the RX-782 with the fin funnels that stand on the side, on one side of this. So you got the Gundam standing up, you got the fin funnels at the back here going upwards, 6 going up, and they're folded in, and it's a couple that are hanging down. Because I think the High Nu is the one that goes on the back of it, and it's going down on the side on the backpack. This is the old one, but he's done a 148 version of that, and it's huge, and it looks bloody outstanding. So go look at his channel as well, YouTube JL Gunpla, and you'll get it on there. So anyway, guys, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to spending more of my hard-earned money with this shop, because I think it's absolutely brilliant. And he's in the UK. So there's no custom fees or anything like that to think about. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye-bye now.